Do you want to disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service? Then you are at the right place. Here is a detailed guide on how to do that. This is the Windows Club. Adobe is concerned about its intellectual property and does not want to be subjected to theft. That is why Adobe released AGS or Adobe Genuine Service so that no third-party tool can modify their product. This service runs in the background and checks to make sure that the Adobe tools that you are using are genuine. If you want to disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service, follow any of the methods shown in this video. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity from the Service Manager. Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service is a part of the Adobe Genuine Service app. So, when you install the application on your system, it automatically gets installed. Service Manager or Services is an application on our computer that allows us to configure all the services on our system. Since Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service is a service, it can be stopped from the Services app. Open Services from the Start menu. Look for Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now change the startup type to Disabled and click on the Stop button. Once the service is disabled, reboot your computer and you won't see any new notifications. Method 2. Delete Adobe GCI Client folder. Now we will delete the Adobe GCI Client folder after ending the running status of the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. In order to do the same, open Task Manager. This can be done using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Go to the Processes tab and look for Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service or agsservice.exe. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. You will be redirected to the Adobe GCI Client folder in File Explorer. Minimize it and go back to the Task Manager. Right-click on the task and select End Task. Now open the File Explorer minimized earlier and delete the Adobe GCI Client folder. Then reboot your system and the issue should be resolved. Method 3. Uninstall Adobe Genuine Service. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Navigate to Apps, then open Installed Apps. Search for Adobe Genuine Service. Click on the 3 vertical dots and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again to confirm your action. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the uninstallation process. After uninstalling the application, reboot your computer once. This cleans your system and removes all stored caches of the application. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.